Hi everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Grandpa. Because of the quarantine, my grandchildren have been staying away for a while. We told you that on the last video. They just made caramel frappuccino. They just called me and told me. Let's take a look at what they did.
Thanks, Grandpa.
So we are making caramel frappuccinos. They're really delicious. Make sure to subscribe. So our ingredients will be 1 cup of milk, a half a cup of coffee, strongly brewed, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of caramel syrup, 1.5 cups of ice. This is our ice tray, and you may need a little bit of ice cream to thicken it up. And you will need a blender.
Alright, let's get started. So you need your cup of milk, pour it in your blender. Alright, now half a cup of coffee. That's your mix. 1.5 cups of ice about. Probably should have put the ice first so it doesn't splash up, but if you don't, be careful. And the half. 3 tablespoons of sugar. And now 2 tablespoons of caramel syrup.
You may want to do a little more
Because the syrup gets stuck in the spoon. But so I just do it like a drop, drizzle more into the drink so it's a little more have flavor.
Now it's time to blend it all up. We're going to see the consistency of this and see if we need to add a small scoop of ice cream first. So I'm just going to see the consistency with the shaking it around. It's very, very, very liquidy. So I think we're going to add a couple of small scoops of ice cream. So now we're going to add a couple of scoops of ice cream, just to make it a little thicker. We're going to blend it and see the consistency after that. So we just blended it for a few seconds. We did add a scoop of ice cream again, but I think it's a little more liquidy than we intended, but of course it's still delicious. So now we're going to pour it into our nice glasses. Top it off with some whipped cream. And of course, a signature caramel drizzle. You can make it in a grid if you want to make it really nice. And there it is. Click here to see our most recent video.
Click here to see our featured video.
And click here to subscribe. Thanks for watching.